All right, hot lava. Come on, let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, everyone? It's your boy Butch from Imperial TV. It's another day. It's a great day to be alive. We're just smoking hookah to begin with, you know. Our guest today is Taylor again. She's gonna be working with us today. So we're gonna. What are we doing today for your car, though?
We're changing the oil.
All right. Let's just change our oil. So we're gonna be changing. Well, she's gonna be changing her own oil filter. So we're gonna show her how, and show her the process of doing it. That way, it's super easy for everyone to learn. Stay tuned. Welcome to Imperial TV. This hookah's not working. Here's the oil pan right here. Oh, you have an oil pan. Okay, so you don't have an oil pan leak, but what you have here is basically the oil filter is leaking. It's because probably it's not even tight enough. Or put it in, probably like a student who's just like first time learner, you know. I know you're a student, but you're learning for the master, so we're gonna make sure that you're gonna make sure you tied it up very, very securely, so that way it does not leak just like this. Can I get a towel, please? All right. So first thing first, oil pan. Again, you look underneath the vehicle, you locate your transmission, your engine, your transmission oil pan, and your engine oil pan. Sometimes on some cars, they have coolant reservoirs at the bottom, so do not drain those. So you have to look at and know where exactly your oil pan is, where the drain plug and all that. If you don't know, you can always go on YouTube or watch some videos, or subscribe to Imperial TV for more vehicles and more tips on how to change your oil, car oil. Whoever put the vehicle up should have actually opened the oil cap from the engine. Is it open? No? Well, sometimes opening it up, what happens is like makes the oil flow faster and better than just like on some vehicles there's no breather or anything like that. And as soon as you loosen this and take it off, then oil will just like gush, but not 100%. And you think all the oil is drained, but it's not. It's because it's suctioned up because the cap is not open. So hopefully in this situation it's not. Okay, see? Alright, so now it's dripping. Alright, now it's hot oil too. So aren't you lucky that you had gloves on?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, because guys don't like rough hands.
And there you go. I just did my first oil change. Thank you to Butch.
Alright, next chapter. Let's go. We got more work.
Sounds good.
Water, catch. Good catch, Water. Good catch.
What's up, Papa?
Hey, what's up, dude? How are you? Good morning to you. Sorry.
Doing good, you?
Good. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. I just have a call at 12 and then I'm ready.
Okay. What time is it right now?
11:30.
Okay, so let me go to the shop quick and I'm gonna come pick you up.
Okay, perfect, papi.
Okay, pick you up like a 12:05, something like that. Cool.
Yeah, like 12:15 maybe is good.
Okay, perfect. You got it, Papa.
All right. Thank you, papi.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.
That's funny though. So I keep looking at the mirror thinking I'm talking to my passengers, but all I'm seeing is just a camera, a rear view camera in my rear view mirror.
Vamos a ver, ni voy a decir lo que precio, ¿no? Nada más es que me gustó. ¿Cómo estás, papá? Vámonos a grabar. Por ejemplo, este coche me encanta.
Let's go. You mean to move it?
No, papi, mira. Sure.
With all the flow, the Juca.
Papi, ya tú sabes. This is the way it is representing. Ya está perro, ¿eh? Y está chocado. ¿Cuánto piden? Vamos a aprovechar que está vergueado. ¡Qué putazote! Qué bonito está este lugar, güey.
So which one you want to listen to first?
Wow, these are dope, eh? You should put these tires on this one.
Really? What size is this?
White walls.
Alright, so what are we doing?
So I want to show your full garage, or as complete as it can be shown to the people, so they can see your cars, see the way they sound, listen to them, flybys, revs.
Perfect. Let's do that. I can't wait. Now let's start up with, let me introduce you to this new place. So this is the new addition to Imperial, which is the 4th location. Check this out. So this is gonna be the new addition. Apparently there's no AC, it's really hot.
It is.
And it's just the start. It's about maybe 110 degrees, so it's like we're working out right now. That's how it feels like. So
Losing weight.
the way we're doing this, body and mechanical is gonna be about 4 lifts to 6 lifts over here. Probably like, yeah, 3, 6 lifts. The paint booth door will be right here. So we're gonna cut out a hole and it's gonna be the paint booth directly in the back side of the so, side. Probably build a wall over here where dust, mechanical, and body work will be outside, paint area and all this, and that would be like on that side. And this side right here will be where we do, this is like maybe my showroom floor for other things.
Nice showroom.
You know what I mean? Maybe electronic side or something like that. And then I'm gonna do like exhibits basically. So you got the body, mechanical exhibit, paint exhibit. This is like something that I wanna do something different maybe exhibit. Now on the other side, which is the showroom floor where the cars are at, you guys wanna follow me? So this is the showroom. This is gonna be the PPF and vinyl exhibit. We're gonna be providing spec products, which is it's similar to Expo, which we've been using for so long. So over here would be like how many stations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 stations. Right now I'm using it for the showroom until I build the showroom in the front. So over here we're gonna cut the concrete out completely. And then we're gonna put new concrete, and then we're gonna put tile, ceramic, and then we're gonna put glass. See where the ceiling is right here? It's gonna be all glass.
Okay.
It's gonna be a lot of work. gotta work. You gotta make money. No more parties. No more fucking drinking. No more. I'm gonna be fully minded. I'm gonna focus on making money, and I'm gonna focus on like me and my business and my family. Watch me. Yes.
¿Cómo están? Vámonos. Hoy tenemos un video fresquito con el Butch. ¿Qué pasa, mi Butch?
¿Qué pasa?
¿Cómo estás, cabrón?
Todo bien, gracias a Dios, gracias a Dios.
Qué bueno, qué bueno, me da gusto. ¿Cómo va todo? ¿Cómo está la familia, güey?
Everybody's good. Just picking out the nose over here. Boogers.
Interesante. Hoy vamos a ver a detalle. Nunca hemos enseñado las naves del buen Butch a detalle y creo que este video está chingón para darnos un deleite visual y auditivo decente, como Dios manda. Vamos a ver aquí una Urus tocada, un 6 más cómo suena el motor del escape. Entonces, empecemos con la Urus. Sanitizer, muy bien, acá.
Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready, padre. Alright. So let's hear this piece. Yo no soy fanático de la Urus, a mí me gusta más la RS8.
That's what a sanitizer. You ready?
Yeah, boss.
Trust me?
Of course.
¡A la verga, güey! Ma! What you say? Ma! I couldn't hear you! My leg is hurting.
Creo que está directo, ahí lo pueden ver. En esta sí es visible.
Now, sorry guys are pissed. Sorry, neighbors. Very badass. Guess how much I sold it to him for? $125,000. This car, maybe gear up. That's the gas, the fumes, and all that. But out of all the cars, this is the loudest. Like the SVJ may be loud, but this is actually loudest.
Yeah, right?
In person, yes.
We have to make straight.
Ma, did you hear that?
Yes.
Did you hear the pops? So that's it, guys. This is going to be the new location, the fourth location, of course. right next to Ferrari Houston. The work is in progress. It might take a month. It might take 6 months till we actually be open. But we are in the progress. The new location. You guys gotta check it out once it's done. We'll have also like maybe a new grand opening party. It'll be really cool. We'll fill up the whole parking lot with nice, badass cars for everybody to see, and so we can introduce everybody to the new place. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Imperial TV. Ciao, ciao.